Today we had our first plasma shot in a new prototype C3. We brought C3 from assembly through genetic confinement validation towards our first plasma shot in less than 3 months. C3 is a slightly bigger machine designed for higher confinement times, with more energy units designed to deliver more power to the plasma, and all of these together should help us reach new plasma temperature regimes and follow our milestones that we have set for C3. C2A has run a full experiment campaign, reaching the temperatures that we have set for specific density and also reaching the confinement time that it was designed to give. These fast development cycles let us iterate quickly and reach our technical milestones according to our roadmap. Right now, our team is fully focused on experiments, measurements, learning, feeding those results into our next steps.